Hello friends, I am Omkar Samre and you are watching Message Life. Today we will see how to factorize some different types of equations which are not simple. Before that, first revise these basic formulas for x plus a bracket square, x minus a bracket square, x plus a bracket cube, x minus a bracket cube, x cube plus a cube, x cube minus a cube and x square minus a square. Okay, you can pause the video and take your time to go through all this, and when you are ready, play the video again. Okay, this is our first question. X raised to 4 plus 4x square plus 16. Remember, it is not in form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is in different form. Now think how we can factor out this equation. Because if you observe, it is square of x square plus 4 into x square plus square of 4. So it is not a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is just a square plus ab plus b square. So how we can factorize this equation? If instead of 4 there is 8, then it is easy. It will be just in the form of a plus b bracket square. But now we have to do something different. So we will just use here completing square method. Like x raised to 4 plus the square root of 16 is 4 and 4 to the 8. So 8x square plus 16. Now we have added 4x square extra because 4x square is here, but we have written 8x square. So we will just take 4x square outside. So 8x square minus 4x square is finally 4x square. Now this first part is in the form of a plus b bracket square. So we can write x raised to 4 is square of x square plus 16 is square of 4. So it is square of x square plus 4 and then remaining negative 4x square. But answer is not complete, because we need to write this equation in the form of factors. So again observe the second part, it is 4x square. Instead of 4x square, we can write here square of 2x, right? So it will be x square plus 4 bracket square minus 2x square. And now we can write down this in a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So x square plus 4 plus 2x and then again x square plus 4 minus 2x. And this is the factorization of this equation. Instead of writing x square plus 4 plus 2x, we can write x square plus 2x plus 4 and here also x square minus 2x plus 4. Now this is our second question, x raised to 9 plus x raised to 6 plus 64x cube plus 64, and we need to find factors of this equation. So what we can do? See, in the first part the coefficients are 1 and 1. In the second part coefficients are 64 and 64. So there is need that we can take something in common. So in the first part what we can take common? So we can take x raised to 6 common. So in the first part it is x cube remaining and in the second part only 1 is remaining. So plus in the second part we can take 64 common, plus 64 into x cube plus 1. Again from these two parts we can take x cube plus 1 common. So x cube plus 1 into x raised to 6 plus 64. Now if you think this is over, then no, it is not over yet, because x raised to 6 plus 64 also has some factors. But how we can get their factors? Now 64 is the 6th power of 2. So we can write 2 raised to 6 in place of 64. So we will write x raised to 6 plus 2 raised to 6. Now we can write x raised to 6 and 2 raised to 6 both in terms of cubes and squares. So we can write either x cube square or x square cube. But there is no such formula for a square plus b square. So we will write x cube plus 1 and this part as x square cube plus 2 square cube. Now we can factorize this part because it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So again x cube plus 1 as it is. Now the formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we will write a plus b. b is 2 square means 4. Then a square So x square square minus AB, so minus 4x square plus b square, so plus 2 square is 4 and 8 square is 16. So our factorization is x cube plus 1 into x square plus 4 into x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 16. Now again, factorization of this equation x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 16 is not possible. So we will stop here. So this is our final answer for factorization of second question. Now we will see the third question. Now this is our third question, x raised to 18 minus y raised to 18. How to factor this equation? So again the powers are even numbers, so we can write down this as x raised to 9 square minus y raised to 9 square, and then we will use formula for a square minus b square. So it will be a plus b, so x raised to 9 plus y raised to 9 into x raised to 9 minus y raised to 9. Now again, x raised to 9 means cube of x cube. So we can write down this as x cube plus y cube, then again x cube minus y cube. Again in the first bracket we can use the formula for a cube plus b cube, and in the second bracket we can use formula for a cube minus b cube. So for the first part we can write x cube plus y cube into x cube square plus x cube y cube plus y cube square and bracket close. Then for the second bracket we will use formula for a cube minus b cube, which is a minus b, so x cube minus y cube into x cube square plus x cube into y cube plus y cube square, and then again bracket close. Now again for the first and fourth bracket we can again use the formula for a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube. So for first bracket x cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Then the second bracket is x raised to 6 minus x cube y cube plus y raised to 6. Then third bracket, it is a cube minus b cube, so we will write a minus b, which is x minus y, into x square plus xy plus y square into last bracket. So multiply by x raised to 6 plus x cube y square plus y raised to 6. And this is the final answer for factorization of this equation. So friends, these are some extra questions for you. Solve these questions and comment the answers of these questions in the comment box. If you like this explanation and also like these types of questions, then like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel for more interesting updates of mathematics. And always, thanks for watching.